Hey guys, what's going on? And today we're going to be doing a rundown on the CommSec trading platform. As I'm sure there could be a lot of people interested in starting out in the market and wondering where to go to start. A lot of people are probably doing so because of where we are today and what's going on around us. There's a lot of opportunities ahead for a lot of young and older people to get into the stock market and grow their wealth. Not saying today is a day to go and buy. I, at the moment, have no shares at all. As in, the next few videos, I'll be doing a go over on why I'm all cash holdings at the moment and how I came across this cash with my first home purchase back in 2017. Now, enough about me. Let's get into the CommBank trading platform. So for starters, let's go over where to go to join and how much rates and fees are. Some may think the CommSec is a bit pricey, but here in Australia at the moment we don't really have a Robinhood or M1 Finance app yet. There is one app out there I haven't experienced yet, but I've heard a lot about, and that's called Self Wealth, with brokerage fees starting from just $9.50. But if you're a beginner and looking to start in just ETFs, I'd highly recommend the simplicity and cheap trading platform called CommSec Pocket. I'll go over this app in another video, but let's go over the rates and fees for the CommSec trading platform I'll be using and have used in the past. Now, the CommSec trading platform, to get the best bang for your buck, you must connect a CDIA account to get the cheaper brokerage fees. These fees start from $19.95 for trades under $1,000, and trades above, as you can see, can go from still $20 to $30 per trade. Now, you must keep this in mind if you plan on not being a long-term investor, because for example, if you buy a share for $100, it will cost you $120, and now to break even, you have to actually make over $50 to just get $10 in profits and cost you $20 to sell. So for example, a share is $100, you pay $120 with a brokerage fee. Share goes up to $150, you sell for $20 brokerage fee, and you've made $10. Bear in mind though, the CommSec trading platform, minimum share purchases are $500. Whereas the CommSec Pocket, you can do, I think, even like $50 share purchases. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right. Let's jump in and check out the CommSec trading platform. So the page you see in front of you right now is my watch list page. There's your home and your portfolio, which have, the portfolio has nothing in it at the moment because currently I'm not invested in any stocks. Now, in the watch list, you can create different watch lists. Like for example, here I have banks, ETFs, mining and resources, property, and these are a couple of my random ones that I keep an eye on. All these little tickers, this one is for Crown, West Farmers, Woolworths Group, Qantas, Sydney Airport, and stuff like that. So let's check out a stock from here. So just for example, let's have a look at Crown, right? So for a new person, if you don't have it in here, up here in watch list or quotes and research, you put in their ticker symbol. So you do CWN for Crown Resorts Limited, and just click into them. Now you can see their current share price is $8.42. Here you can also buy, sell the stocks. You get a little quick overview here. You got their value. You can also see their 52-week highs and lows. So before this crisis happened, they were trading at $13.58 per share. And their lowest is they dropped down to $5.84. So from here, as you scroll down, you can see their chart. This is currently graphed at 1 year. You can even go way back to as far back as they can show. And you can see their graphs from way back around 2008. They're actually trading at around $4.50. Now let's have a look at these other tabs up here that you can click. Here, a lot of you should be always keeping an eye on if you're looking at a stock is the announcements. Here, like for example, when they had to do all their responses to the current crisis, and also all their other important news, you can also get their financial updates, quarterly reports, and whatnot. So my portfolio I'll be making will be mainly a dividend investing portfolio. So let's go and have a little look at the dividend tab. So here, when you click dividends, once it loads, their current dividend yield is 5.4%, which is actually pretty good. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see their current payouts for the previous years right back to around 2010. In 2017, you can see that they must have done really well and they did a massive bonus. But as you can see, they're very consistent. And by the looks of it, they haven't missed a dividend yet. But who knows what happens? They've completely had to stop trading pretty much. Not sure how the hotel's doing and all that, but you know, their next quarterly report, I'm guessing, is going to be pretty bad for them. And here at this point in time is also where we're going to see a lot of companies probably cutting their dividends or even completely taking them away, because a lot of their income streams are massively decreased because of what's going on right now. And this is also why the stock market's crashing, because no one's making money. Well, a lot of people are also making money. Like, look at Netflix. Massive gains because of all the people having to be locked down and stay at home. Alright, so let's have a little look at all the other bits you can do in the research sectors. So you can actually click sectors if you're interested in, if you don't know much about many other companies, just say, you know, in healthcare. So let's click healthcare. And you can see over here we got large cap on at the moment. CSL, big company, very well known. But here's where you can also do all your own research about other companies and try and diversify your portfolio as much as you can. I'll probably get a couple of stocks in a couple of different sectors, but mainly it's probably going to be for me, mainly in financials and materials and energy resources, and like BHP, Rio Tinto, Commonwealth Bank, Westpac, and stocks like that. So if we go ahead and take a quick look at my other watch list and have a good look at just a couple of little ETFs that I have here. ETFs are great to really diversify yourself, because majority of all ETFs are going to be invested in a lot of different companies. So for example, this Vanguard is invested in the Australian Shares Index. You've got the IOO, which is a Global 100 ETF, as you can see on the screen here. And you got IVV, which is iShares, which is basically the S&P 500 ETF, which tracks that. And it's just as simple as that. So just for example, if you want to purchase one of these shares, let's click the VAS share, Vanguard Australian Shares. You come to this page where you can now click to buy or sell this share. So if we click buy, we're going to go into this order page where, as you can see, it's going to come out of account this one. Order type, we're going to be buying. Code, double check that, definitely VAS. Quantity, how much are we going to buy? So let's buy 50. And you can put in a value to try and get them at, or you can just do it at market and hope to get it as close to market as you can see it, if that's what you want to purchase it at. You put in an expiry date, settlement, and as you'll see here, with purchasing of 50 shares, the order value is $3,362. And as explained earlier in the video, brokerage and costs, we've got $19.95. So as you can see, that gets added on top, $3,388. Whoa, hang on. $3,381.95. So once you've gone over everything, you'll go ahead and proceed. It will also then give you a check to double check over everything and then confirm the purchase of the said shares. Now, bear in mind, you should always have the funds already in your CDIA account, but it can take up to 3 days for those funds to be taken out. And also when selling, it can take up to 3 days for the funds to get transferred back into your account. So, and as you can see here, in quotes and research, there's a lot you can look at. And here, for example, here's today in a review. One day, the ASX performance. 10 a.m, closing at 4 p.m. The S&P ASX 200, the S&P ASX top 20s. So there's a lot of information given to you with this app, as you'd need, because you can be purchasing into a company and you're hoping for that company to go up in price, or like for me, I'll be hoping that they always deliver dividends and increasing compounding and increasing my wealth the more I invest and the more my portfolio grows. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully my poor speech is not annoying too many people, and hopefully I'll get better over time. But I really think this is something that I'm enjoying and really want to get into a bit more. Like, thumbs up, subscribe. I really appreciate getting the views. Not many at the moment, but you know, here's to the future. And I'll catch you guys later.